The man picked up the wallet and took it to the police station. The mother picked up her daughter and held her in the air. The golfer picked up the golf ball. The 10-pin bowler picked up the bowling ball and rolled it at the bowling pins. The father picked his daughter up from school and took her home. The volunteers picked up the litter and put it in the black bag. The man picked up the macaroni with a fork and put it in his mouth. The hand picked up the $50 note from the grass. The man picked up the phone and answered the call. The rubbish men picked up the rubbish and emptied it into the truck. The worker in the warehouse picked up the cardboard box and put it with the rest of the boxes. The table tennis player picked up the table tennis ball from the ground. The family picked up the leaves and put them in the wheelbarrow. The student picked up her workbooks that she had dropped. The secretary picked up all the papers that she dropped. The golfer picked up the golf ball out of the hole. The man picked up his girlfriend in the kitchen. The staff in the bakery picked up the spiral bread with a tong. The woman picked up the money from the cash machine and then spent it all on clothes. The female athlete picked up the huge tire and turned it over. The robot hand picked up the white ball. The construction worker picked up his safety helmet before he went to work. The tow truck picked up the car and towed it away. The man picked up his wife from the airport. The two women picked up all the rubbish on the beach. The man picked up the pineapple and put it in the shopping trolley. The woman picked up her suitcase from the conveyor belt. The weightlifter picked up the dumbbell. He's super strong. The man picked up a tablet and swallowed it with a glass of water. The man picked up the key from under the doormat. The man picked up the plastic bottles and put them in the recycling bin. The driver picked up a hitchhiker. The crane picked up the car and took it to the crusher. The hand picked up a French fry. The woman picked up her glasses and put them on her face. The woman picked up the TV remote control and changed the channel. The man picked up the mug and drank some coffee. The woman picked up the smelly sock and held her nose. The air stewardess picked up the tray and took it to the passenger. The man picked up a gun and shot someone. The boy picked up the football and threw it to his friend. The hand picked up a slice of orange. The vet picked up the cat and put it on the table.